For the hearing test, what you are going to do, you have your hearing machine here, your audiometer, and you'll have a pair of headphones that are connected. The first thing that we want to do, you're going to flip the switch and turn it on. And you want to make sure your decibels are set to 40. And then the hertz, we are going to start at 4,000. Okay, our tone mode is we're going to initially start with it on pulsed, and we can leave it on pulsed as long as the patient is able to hear it. So you want to explain the test to the child or to the patient prior to putting the headphones on them. So what you will tell them is every time they hear a beep or a noise, just touch the ear that they're hearing that noise in. That way you can differentiate right versus left and what they're actually hearing. So we will put the headphones on. You always want to make sure the right headphone, the red is going on the right ear, right? So make sure red, right ear. So you'd place the headphones on the patient, and then you are going to start, and you will start at 40, leave the decibels on 40, and then the hertz are going to be on 4,000. We'll start with 4,000. And what you do, you press the tone button here. If it were plugged in, it would be lighting up. So you press tone, and you want to hold that down at least for 3 seconds, allowing the patient time to recognize that they actually heard something. So right now, I'm on the right ear. I'm at 4,000 hertz and 40 decibels. So I would press tone. The patient should hold their hand up to their right ear, signifying that they hear a sound in that right ear. Once I know that they've heard 4,000 in the right ear, I can switch it to the left, press the tone button, and they should be touching their left ear. Once I've gotten through 4,000 on both ears, then I want to turn this down to 2,000. We leave decibels at 40 for all levels of hertz. So we're going to leave it at 40. Again, it's now on the left ear. I'm going to press the tone button for 2 to 3 seconds. Allow the patient to touch their left ear, signifying that they heard the sound in their left ear. I would then switch over to the right, press the tone button for 2,000. They hear it in the right. Now I'm ready to move on down to 1,000. Go ahead, press the tone button. It's on the right or the red, so they should be touching their right ear. Switch that to left, press the tone. They should be hearing it in the left. You always want to start out with the hertz on 4,000 because that's going to be the loudest, and it allows the patient to actually know what they should be hearing. So make sure that you start out on 4,000 and then work your way down to 2,000 and then down to 1,000.